Hello students, today's point of discussion is formation of ethylene molecule. Remember, ethylene molecule formation is one of the finest examples of sp2 hybridization. Now sp2 hybridization is also called as trigonal hybridization, and it is nothing but the mixing and redistribution of 1s and 2p orbitals of valence shell of same atom to form new set of 3 hybrid orbitals which have maximum symmetry and definite orientation, and those 3 hybrid orbitals are termed as what? sp2 hybrid orbitals, and hybrid orbitals are directed trigonally around the central atom making an angle of 120 degree. Thus this hybridization is also called as trigonal hybridization, and geometry of molecule expected is the trigonal planar and bond angle expected is 120 degree. So let's discuss the formation of ethylene molecule. So in ethylene, central atom is carbon. So we know very well the very first step involved in the process of hybridization is formation of excited state. So very first step is the excitation of carbon. So central atom carbon, which has atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, that is 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. Now in valence shell of carbon there is vacant higher energy orbital, that is 2pz, and lower energy orbital, that is 2s orbital, has 2 electron, I mean it is fulfilled. So by absorbing energy it promotes or transfers an electron from 2s orbital to vacant 2pz orbital. So excited state electronic configuration of carbon will be 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now this is the excited state electronic configuration of carbon, and in excited state there are 4 unpaired electrons. Now second very important thing is mixing and recasting. So mixing of orbitals. Now we know very well that ethylene is an example of sp2 hybridization. So carbon in excited state, which can be given as 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So box diagrams for this can be drawn in this manner. So in excited state, carbon contain 4 unpaired electrons in the valence shell. So during the formation of ethylene, central atom carbon undergo sp2 hybridization by mixing 1s and 2p orbitals. So 1s and 2p orbital undergo mixing and recasting, producing new set of 3 hybrid orbitals, each containing unpaired electron. Why? Because the hybridizing orbitals have unpaired electron, therefore newly formed hybrid orbitals will also have unpaired electrons in them. But right here one thing to be noted is this 2pz orbital having unpaired electron, it remained unhybridized. So exactly what happens? Remember, as far as the overlapping takes place, so overlapping or bond formation is concerned. So what is happening right here? Carbon undergo sp2 hybridization. So 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are produced, which are directed trigonally around the central atom, and this 2pz orbital, which remained unhybridized, is still atomic orbital, and we are shading this. So these are the smaller lobes of hybrid. Now this is the one carbon, and remember each and every orbital, whether it is hybrid or unhybridized orbital, contain unpaired electron. So what happened during the course of formation of bond? One sp2 hybrid orbital of one carbon atom overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon atom, and due to sp2 overlap, a sigma bond is formed in between 2 carbon atoms, which can be shown as. So this is for the another carbon, and this is unhybridized 2p z orbital. These are the smaller lobes. So this is sp2 of one carbon and this is sp2 hybrid of another carbon, and this overlap is sp2 overlap, and due to sp2 overlap, sigma bond is formed in between two carbon atoms. Now 4 hydrogen atoms. We know very well atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and its electronic configuration is what? 1s1. So hydrogen has unpaired electron in its spherical s orbital. So 4 hydrogen atoms come closer and overlap with sp2 hybrid orbitals of what? Carbon atom. So one hydrogen overlap along with its spherical s orbital with sp2 hybrid. So name of the overlap is sp2s overlap, due to which carbon hydrogen bond is formed. Another hydrogen overlap with the another sp2 hybrid. Now third hydrogen overlap with sp2, fourth hydrogen overlap with sp2. In this manner 4 CH sigma bonds are formed due to sp2s overlap. Now these unhybridized pz orbital of both carbon atom overlap laterally with each other, and remember, due to lateral overlap a pi bond is formed in between two carbon atoms. In this way ethylene molecule is formed. So in ethylene there is a double bond in between two carbon atoms, out of which one is sigma whereas other bond is pi bond. Now as far as geometry and bond angle is concerned, now geometry and bond angle. So remember, ethylene molecule seems to be like this. This is the molecule of ethylene which can be drawn. Now HCH bond angle or HCC bond angle is found to be 120 degree, and geometry of ethylene molecule is trigonal planar. So in this way ethylene molecule is formed as a result of sp2 hybridization. Thank you very much.